Hey guys, hope you are doing good. And today I will tell you how to overcome uh, the thoughts which put you in worry or which have that problem or that tension. My name is Vikram, and I will share some strategy on this. And by the end of this video, you will have that strategy to overcome how to stop worrying on the thoughts which are on your mind. So let us start. Guys, I was just going through the book, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, and this book is really interesting. And I came across this topic. The topic says that on an average, a person thinks like he has 60,000 thoughts per day, and this will be interesting. It will be more interesting now that the 90% of the thoughts are repetitive. By that I mean they already came to your mind in recent days. So how will the mind function at its best possibilities when the 90% of the thoughts which has are all about worrying, about that tension, and about that what will be happening in my future. So to stop this, to avoid this, there's a strategy which is shared in the book, and I will tell you the strategy. The strategy is whenever you get a thought which will put you in worry or which will put you in tension or which has problem, then give a thought from your mind that is positive in nature. For example, suppose I will tell you my personal example. Suppose if I get thought about me thinking that what will be happening in future, or how will be my life in future, and how will be my days, whether I will be in good condition or whether I will be in bad condition. So whenever this thought strikes to my mind, or whenever this thought strikes to your mind, so you need to put some another thought which is positive in nature. Like I will tell to my mind that no, today is the best day which I have got. My mental and my physical health is in good state, which most of us don't have. Most of us, the people around this world, don't even have that. I am blessed to have this. I should enjoy my today so that my future will be. We can think about the future in later part, but today is the day where I need to enjoy. When I give this thought, when I put the positive thought, then it won't happen that it will repeat in the day. So whenever your mind strikes with a worrying thought, or whenever your mind strikes with that uh, problem happening in your life, then give that thought to your mind which is positive in nature. And when you do this, you are building your mind, and this is called as thinking opposition. Like you are putting a thought across all the thoughts which are worrying in nature, a positive thought, so that you are opposing the thoughts. And I will tell you about myself, guys, that whenever I wake up in the morning, whenever my sleep is completed, I get lot of thoughts. I get one thought, another thought, and it keeps on going until and unless it is being distracted by a phone, or someone calls me, or I wake up by thinking what the hell I am thinking. So this keeps on rotating. The thoughts keeps on going into the mind. And when this happens, it is pulling us down. It is pulling our own self to function our mind at the best possibility. Because every time you worry, you are putting yourself down. You are having that negative environment created on your mind. And let me tell you one thing, guys. The worry and the negative thoughts, or the uh, thoughts which are not good, or the thoughts that which are becoming problem for you, they all are just like that hole in the uh, tire tube which you have seen. So just like a tire tube, the tube which is if it is filled with the air, it will take you to the destiny. And if it has got one hole in it, and if the air goes away from it, it will take you to the abrupt place. By that I mean that it will not take you to the destiny. So every thought which you are getting, or every thought which is worrying in nature, it is just like a hole for your whole mind, where it is pulling you down, or it is taking you down to reach your destiny. It will not, the mind will not function to the best. So whenever you get the thought of worrying, or whenever you get the thought of that problem, please make sure that you push another thought which is positive in nature. By that you are building your mind. By that your mind will function in positive direction, and it will function at its best possibility. So this book is literally very interesting, guys. We stay connected with the book. I hope you buy the book and you read the book, because it will change the thinking process of your mind. And before you buy, I already share the strategy where you need to, how you can overcome the thoughts which are worrying in nature. And we all have that repetitive thoughts which are worrying in nature, and we just keep on thinking, and it goes on happening, and it goes on growing in the mind. And when this happens, our mind will not function at its best possibility. So it's better that it's that the mind controls our body, but whatever thoughts comes to your mind, we can control them. We can push all the positive thoughts to the mind. I hope you loved this video, and please buy the book. Please read the book. It's really interesting, and we stay connected with the book. The story in the books are literally amazing, and the strategy which I shared, please follow. Opposition thinking. Whenever you are getting thought of worry, push one thought where it is positive nature. I would rather suggest push two thoughts. Right? So I hope you got the strategy, and if you like the video, please hit a like, please comment, or please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.